The recommendations in this guide are based on thorough product and market research by our team of expert product reviewers. The picks are based on examining user reviews, product specifications, and, in some limited cases, our experience with the specific products named. So in this video we will discuss 5 best at-home dermaplaning tools. Don't worry, you will not face any hassle to find the product links. I will include the product links in the description. Number 1. Kitsch Dermaplaning Tool Set. If your brows need a little grooming, this eyebrow razor can trim them into shape in no time. All you had to do was uncover the blade and start swiping. Our tester joked, which is a good thing, because the instructions left much to be desired. She loved this razor's ability to remove the peach fuzz off of her face, but noticed more of a textural change rather than visual. Specifically, she was pleased at how well it shaped her arches. For eyebrows, it's amazing, she said, noting how precise it was at removing thick hairs. Despite the poor instructions, there wasn't much to dislike. I would buy this and use it again in a heartbeat, our tester said. Pros: removes thick brow hairs easily. Good for precision. Cons: poor instructions for use. Number 2. Stack Skincare Dermaplaning Tool. A beauty tool should be functional and well designed, and this pick from Stack Skincare meets both criteria. This product is pretty lightweight but easy to hold and position along the face, said one of our testers. They used the tool along the right side of their face, forehead, cheek, and chin, showing immediate results. This tool was effective at exfoliation and hair removal, though it did cause some redness and irritation. It left my skin feeling even textured and soft, noted our tester. There is also a plastic tip at the top of the blade to prevent stray nicks, a bonus for users of all levels. Though functional, it was the tool's appearance that ultimately won over our testers. It would look beautiful on any vanity and deliver beautiful results, one said. Pros: lightweight, easy to hold / comfort grip. Plastic safety tip to prevent nicks, easy to use. Cons: cause slight redness and irritation. Number 3. Ennva Eyebrow Dermaplane Facial Tool. This razor is most friendly to those experienced in dermaplaning, as our tester said. This tool is built for someone who knows what they are doing. Given the angle and sharpness of the blade, our team thinks this razor is perfect for eyebrows in the smaller areas of the face like the chin or upper lip. The base of the razor is made from a biodegradable material, so it's encouraged to detach the blade from the base in order to recycle the majority of the tool. And this particular set comes with 6 tools, so when you've used one up, you have 5 more in stock before needing to buy more. Our tester was pleased with the overall performance and said that although it created a touch of redness along their jawline, this tool removed all peach fuzz and hair. Pros: geared toward eyebrows. Comes in a pack of 6. Effective performance. Made of biodegradable materials. Cons: causes mild irritation. Number 4. Philips Beauty Precision Perfect Trimmer. If you want to maintain your dermaplaning routine on the go, this compact trimmer is perfect for travel, especially given its handy travel cap and compact size. Our tester slightly struggled with setup because the instructions weren't super clear, but once they figured it out, they said it was easy to use. The trimmer is ready to use right out of the box, no charging necessary, they noted, adding that you just need to pop in a battery. The overall performance impressed our team, with one tester saying, "Immediately after use, I noticed my skin is somewhat smoother and slightly less dull. It was like looking at a whole new surface." Considering the thinness of the blade, we suggest you use this for areas with longer hair and peach fuzz, rather than short hairs. That said, it maneuvers well around narrow areas like the eyebrows, upper lips, and around the nose. Pros: compact design, creates smooth texture, easy to maneuver around the face. Cons: unclear instructions. Blade was a bit thin for short hair. Number 5. Tweezerman Facial Razor Tool. If the goal is exfoliation, we highly recommend Tweezerman's facial razor. Our tester said the blade glided effortlessly and painlessly over her skin, removing tiny hairs and sloughing off dead skin in a single sweep. Made of stainless steel, this manual shaver has an easy-to-grip handle and a high-quality, professional feel. Since the blade is very sharp, it might not be ideal for beginners. However, our tester said it didn't irritate her sensitive, acne-prone skin at all. Pros: removes dead skin, eliminates peach fuzz, stainless steel handle. Cons: not beginner-friendly. If you enjoyed this video, then like this video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.